Delivering presentations are the best way to convey your thoughts. So, have a checklist of skills for the best one. Number 1. A good start. It means an interesting presentation can be stated or started with a question or a quotation to dominate one's attention to view the theme to the purpose. Number 2. Content specification. It means design the materials according to the requirements, be specific and simplify the theme from journal. Number 3. Visual organization. A clear visualization is the key. Arrange the content wisely as needed. List down the details into bullets, add images or videos where necessary, limit the overdo. Number 4. Clarity and engagement. It means focus on the main idea, clear the theme. Over explanation can break the interest of your audience, and design the activities to engage with your audience. And the last one is closure. It means select the end with a summary, wrap up the content with a thought for the audience, and with a polite note of thanking them. And remember, confidence is the key, planning the presentation is the door, and practice makes perfection. Be open for feedback along with criticism.